When you're building or renovating, there are plenty of things that can take you out of your comfort zone. A jammed nail gun, the weather, or that dodgy sausage roll you had for breakfast. But at least installing Earthwool insulation will keep you in your comfort zone. Why? To start, there's more insulation per pack, so there's less handling. You can fit more square metres on the ute, and there's less storage space required on site. Our advanced compression packaging can fit up to 55% more insulation per pack and recovers to the correct thickness when opened. But there are lots of other benefits too. Unlike other insulation, it's super soft to handle and install because it's made with a formaldehyde-free binder. It comes in widths to perfectly fit between the studs, and it's easy to cut, so you'll get an exact fit every time. There's no odour, so you can breathe easy. And it's less dusty and less itchy. Install Earthwool insulation in walls, ceiling and underfloor, and you'll stay in your comfort zone.